Hi you guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited because this is the sound I made when I opened this and looking at it. I'm making this sound again. Eee! Oh my god, it's so cute. It's the Rudolph X ColourPop or ColourPop X Rudolph collection. You guys, even my pup is making little sounds. I'm so excited. This collection is so Christmassy and so cheesy and so cute. And one of the main reasons that I was excited is because this is a classic. And I feel like they were very intentional with the kind of products that they chose for this collection. So if you would like to see swatches and how I created this look, please stay tuned. All right, so let's get started with the review. This is the card that comes in the PR box. So cute. I'm gonna hang her up with this mess that I have here that I have to organize of all of the ColourPop releases. And it basically tells you everything that's in the box. There are a lot of things in here, but it is very lip heavy. All right, so first of all, there's these hair clips. They're so cute and they're not like a headband. So it's like two different clips. You pin them wherever you want to pin them. Very cute. Everything from the packaging of this, these raised snowflakes on the actual cardboard that these are mounted on. The attention to detail, I mean, it's absolutely wonderful. And I don't want to get ahead of myself, but I think this is probably my favorite of the different holiday collections that have been released. Next thing that I have here is the Soul Body, so cute. The Soul Body highlight. It says shimmering body powder, but most people use them as a highlight. I have it on right now, and it says it's a champagne color. I like to see it like a peachy skin like color. I don't know, but you guys can see it there. That's kind of what you're gonna get on your skin. So it's kind of gold, kind of champagne, a little rosy as well. What I like about this one, a lot of these tend to be very like glimmering, see you from space kind of highlight. This highlight is very natural. It's kind of like my skin is glowing because I drink my water every day type of glow, and I'm not mad at it. I have so many highlights that are very in your face. It's nice to have one where you don't have to worry about going crazy. Like I literally like kept reapplying, and I like that for day-to-day, for casual glam as I like to call it. It's wonderful. And I also like it for holiday. A lot of times we use a lot of glitter, a lot of glam, a lot of glitz up top. Hey, your highlight doesn't have to be that dramatic. This is nice, and I like that we'll be able to take this into the winter time, into next year, and it's a nice cute little highlight. So this one's really nice. It's smaller than the other Soul Body highlights, so I like that. It's more compact. I like that very much. The next couple of items are these wonderful, absolutely hella cute ornaments, and this is what they look like. They have the lip scrub and the lip mask inside of them. So these are going on my tree once I put that up, which I'm kind of late. Normally I put it up earlier, but these are going up on my tree. They're so cute, and I want to just show you the components for those products. This one with a little wreath on it is the scrub, the lip scrub, and this one's the lip mask. And in my experience, I know you guys saw that in the Powerpuff Girl collection there were, I believe it was 2 lip masks. I don't think there was a scrub in that one, but the lip masks are really good. I love falling asleep with them. You wake up the next morning and your lips are hydrated. It's pretty awesome. Those had a really intense taste, so I don't know what this is gonna taste like. From the smell of them, it's kind of pepperminty, but it's not like annoying strong peppermint. It's kind of like toned down with vanilla, so it's like a sweet peppermint taste. So that's nice. I'm looking forward to these. I definitely recommend the lip mask. So I haven't used the scrub, but if you're gonna get one, these are really good and they're inexpensive. So definitely recommend. Is the Humble Bumble Mega Mood Melt, and this is like a bath fizzy. You put it in your bath and it fizzes up. I like it. It smells really nice. I don't know how I would describe the smell, but it smells really nice and it's in a cute little shape. For those of you that like baths, you can't go wrong. It's really nice. I like it. So there's that. And I just want to point out, these are cruelty-free, mineral oil-free, vegan. So if that's something that you follow and your lifestyle, then it's a nice little item to have and incorporate to your self-care routine. Next up, I said this was really lip heavy. These are the duos. And there's two of them. There's one that's red and there's one that's nude. I'm wearing the Clarice lipstick right now. However, the lip liner is really light. So if you're my skin tone or darker, I suspect the lip liner is not going to do anything for you. However, I used one of my older ColourPop lip liners, and I believe the one I used was Control CTRL. And I just blended it in with the Clarice lipstick, and it's really nice. It's a nice kind of soft formula. It's not satin. I feel like these are cream, but they're really nice. I liked the nude for my skin tone. It's just I needed a darker lip liner. So that's that one, and it kind of matches her skin tone a bit, so I appreciate it. Her skin tone, her fur. And then there is the Rudolph one, which this one's my favorite. So if you're gonna get one, I feel like the nude ones, they exist in other collections, but this red one is really nice. It's like it's not maroon, it's like a cranberry red, and it's dark enough, right, where you're kind of going vampy, but you're not going all, hella dark with it. It's a nice red, and it's hard for me to describe color sometimes, but I feel like cranberry is probably the best name for this kind of red, and I feel like it's really flattering for a lot of people. So if you're looking for a red that's not siren red, that's not tomatoey, I know this is a thing with me. I don't know about you guys, but tomatoey reds that are kind of orangey, I just don't like them. I don't feel like I look too nice with them, so I don't know. I don't like them. I tend to like deeper tones and reds that are a little interesting. So this one, definitely a must. I'll show you guys in the swatches, if they're not showing up already on the screen, what that looks like. And next up, these are the couple of Misfits trio of glosses, and they're so adorable. There's a clear one, there's a corally one, and then there's a really pinky reddy kind of one, and they're all very, very, very glimmery. They're very nice on the lips. It's the same formula as the other Luxe glosses, so if you like those, you're gonna like these. They have the packaging, which some of us say we don't buy for packaging, but trust me, there's only so many ways you can make certain colors, and packaging does help. So the corally one has like gold glitters in it. The clear one has icy, kind of blue, kind of white type of glitters. And then this one, the more pinkier one, it has a little mix. I see a little purple in there. I see a little bit of gold. So it's really nice. It's a nice set. If you have any girls that like glosses, this is a nice set to gift them or put in a stocking, or if you just like glosses. These, I didn't feel a taste to them, when I tried it. So there's no taste, but you know, if you like that kind of thing. But it's a very pleasant feel on your lips, and it's just the right medium. It's not too tacky. When you go like that, it doesn't kind of stick and drag, unless you apply a lot of it. So keep that in mind. These are really cute. These are awesome. And I always keep these around the house. So like if I'm feeling kind of chapped, I just grab one from the table. They're awesome. I like to have them. And then finally, for the star of the show, this is what I was waiting for. Oh, what a beauty. This is the Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer palette, and it looks kind of like a Christmas card. So beautiful. This is the back of the packaging, which looks like the back of the palette. And it gives you all the names. We have North Pole, Mush Mush, Independent Together. What it looks like. And I want to see if I can catch that on camera really well. That's what it looks like. And at first glance, in photos, on camera, it doesn't necessarily look like it's giving much, but it totally is. What I love about this palette is that this is going to be the palette. I'm saying it right now. This is going to be the palette that I'm going to be using almost daily during November, December, and January. And this is why. So the shimmers down the middle, so you have 4 shimmers right here. The shimmers down the middle are really interesting. I like them. And they can be soft, but they can also add an extra something to your look. I don't know if you guys can tell right here, but I did this color right here, Full Power, which is kind of like a cranberry maroony kind of color. And I put that in my crease and dragged it down here as well. However, I took the red shimmer and I added it in front, and it gave it something extra. I also added Snowbank, which is kind of like a champagne rosé kind of color. I put that one as well on top of that one, and it just gave it a nice shift. It does something. And in the holiday season, I feel like these are the beautiful, satiny, soft, romantic, but sexy kind of colors that you like to wear on the eyes. So I absolutely live for these. And as you can tell, I dipped into them pretty good. There is a color in here, this one, North Pole, that seemed gold at first, but it's more like a softer gold, if that makes any sense. Let me see if I show you guys. That's what it looks. So it's like a softer gold. Very beautiful. And I feel like they pair very well with these deeper tones. There is a little mix in here, if you guys can tell, of cooler tones as well as warmer tones. You have your green and red for Christmas, but it's not all the way out there red and green. And I know some people were complaining about that. Now let me tell you something. I understand, because at first glance you see the packaging and you say, okay, red and green, let's do something cheesy, let's go 100% in, right? However, I feel like if you want a palette that gives you that red and green but gives it to you in an elegant, sexy way, it's the palette that you're going to be using all holiday season, right? You know, I don't want to say that we're looking crazy out here with these colors, but you know, some people don't feel comfortable wearing such bold colors, even if they're blended, even if, you know, we're wearing a liner or whatever that's really bold. Some people don't feel that way, and some people do want to have something bold but still kind of tone it down a bit. And I feel like that's what this palette is doing. This palette is giving you soft, neutral moments, but it's also giving you the boldness that you want during the holiday season. That gives you a little bit of warmth. Like, I feel like a Starbucks cup. You know what I mean? Please don't kill me in the comments over that, but it's literally what I feel like. It's like a nice, warm, wonderful winter beverage in a palette. And I'm a huge fan. I feel like a lot of the times people criticize the color stories in some of these collabs, and it's a little unfair because, to be honest about it, looking at it, right, you can't really tell what a lot of those shimmers are gonna do unless you place it on the eye. And that's all I'm gonna say about it. Next up is this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoy it as much as I enjoyed this collection. I'm gonna be playing around with it a lot more. I have a lot more to say, and I feel like there's not enough time in this video to say it, but I am so happy. This definitely made my day. From the little lights, the Christmas lights all around the packaging, to the glitter snowflakes, the detail, it's just so wonderful. I also want to say that in terms of gift ideas, I had this idea of making videos for gift ideas for different types of people. Tell me in the comments if you like that, but I feel like this collection has something for a lot of different people and different age ranges. So I'm going to give you an example. I don't want to ramble too long, but I'll give you an example. If you have someone that likes skincare, they don't necessarily wear a lot of makeup, you can get them a bath fizzy, right? You can get them one of these. You can get them the lip scrubs, right? And they're very cute, awesome, nostalgic packaging, but you can get them that. If you have young girls, you can also get them either the lip scrubs or the lip glosses. So if you have young girls or you have nieces, nephews that like this kind of stuff, that's like an introductory makeup item that's not as dramatic, right? And that parents won't have such a huge problem if you gift a child that's into makeup these kind of things, right? Also, if you have a teenager, a young lady, anyone that likes makeup, right? A person in your life that likes makeup but doesn't like to step outside of their neutrally kind of bare skin routine, this is a nice highlighter because it's gonna give them something extra, but not that extra, right? And it'll fit in their comfort zone. It's really cute, and I think it's gonna fit a lot of different skin tones because this highlighter shifts in that kind of gold champagne, pinky, peachy kind of tone. So I feel like that's gonna fit a lot of people. And finally, for somebody that's all out, loves makeup, loves playing around, this one right here. That's all I gotta say on that. I feel like I rambled a lot in this video, and that's okay because it's Christmas and we're all so excited. I love Christmas. I love you guys. Thank you for tuning in to my channel. And if you liked this review, leave it in the comments, like the video, subscribe. Welcome to my channel. Hope you guys enjoy the tutorial. Bye.